Technology represents the powerful tools that the learner can use to facilitate his or her own learning process. The pre-service teacher technology competencies identify areas of proficiency for teachers to effectively use technology resources to create the conditions that optimize learning. Teachers need knowledge of the basic technology equipment operations and concepts, technology resources and tools for information literacy, and technology resources and tools for content areas. More information on this can be found in the Technology as Facilitator of Quality Education model. The students must create a HyperStudio presentation that includes biographical information on a famous role model. The teacher demonstrates technology competency number 13, the use of multimedia presentation software, as she helps the students organize the different elements of their HyperStudio presentation.
Okay, Britney Spears. Now what you would want some typing, wouldn't you?
Yeah.
Okay. Will you have enough room with this border to have a scanned picture? Do you have big pictures to scan in?
Yeah.
Okay, you might want to think about just one border.
Okay.
It's up to you. We could make that scanned image smaller.
No, let's just have one border.
Okay.
As a part of their HyperStudio project, the students must find and evaluate information on their role models using the World Wide Web. This demonstrates technology competency number 8, the use of World Wide Web information sources.
Go up just a little bit. It said something here about this site was created by... That sounds like 2 people. Please email us and let us know what you think about our site. Now, from what research you've done so far on John Stockton, well, you haven't looked at this yet. Why don't you take a look at it and see if you think it's a pretty accurate website based on what you've already read.
The teacher demonstrates technology competency number 4, equipment operation, as she shows the students how to use a scanner to incorporate pictures into their multimedia presentations.
Let's try to lay it this way. Now, click that window. And you don't want to save it, so you'll just don't save.
The teacher demonstrates technology competency number 1, the ability to operate a computer system. She helps the students learn how to save and organize files on the computer as they work on their HyperStudio projects.
Okay, where are you going to save it to? It's on the desktop, that's good. And how do you want to save it as?
It's a thing that I did. That Mac pick.
How do you get to it, Ashley?
Go to here.
There you go. And save.
Voila.
Do you print them now?
Yes, but first of all you need to get them on a disk. So would you quit out of the program?